Hello, Coach Bell here. Day 12 na. Yes, day 12 is your writing session, part 1. And our topic focus is write the first 2 sections of your ebook using our Bell Method focus, which is express. So be helpful, not perfect. Alam mo na ibig sabihin yan. Time to put pen to paper or in our case, fingers to keyboard. Pero wag ka nang ma-stress, okay? Hindi mo kailangan maging best-selling author today. Today's mission, sulatin ang first 2 section ng ebook mo based sa lahat ng pinaghirapan nating foundation. So let's do a quick roll call. Outline, check from your day 8. Title ideas, check from your day 9. Stories plus tips, check from your day 10. Shortcut formulas, lock in na yan sa day 11. So ngayon, ready ka nang magsulat ng tunay gamit ang Bell Method na express na ang goal ay tumulong at hindi magpasikat. And here's your suggested writing format per section. Wag complicated, wag textbook, parang kwentuhan lang. Alright? So here's your section template. Kwento, a real story from your life, wins or struggle. Followed by lesson, anong aral ang nakuha mo? And then shortcut, the system you've learned or used. And then encouragement, inspire your reader like a besh would. Okay? And here's our real life example, an ebook by a freelancer. So ito yung section 1 title niya. Post first, polish later. Nasundan ng story. Noong nagsimula akong mag-post sa FB groups, walang portfolio, walang brand, just value. Wala pang 2 weeks, may nag-inquire. Sabi niya, ikaw yung laging nagko-comment na helpful, di ba? And then boom, first client. Then followed by a lesson, you don't need to be perfect to be helpful. You just have to start showing up. And then for the shortcut formula, publish, then polish method. Post now, gather feedback, improve later. And then lastly, for the encouragement, lahat ng pro nagsimula sa cringe. Pero kahit pa pause ang simula mo, at least nagsimula ka. Kaya push lang, besh. Okay, and here's the ChatGPT prompts to help you write. Expand this story into a 300-word narrative that feels personal and real, and then insert your story here. Then, rewrite this section to sound like I'm talking to a friend, not writing an essay. Followed by, turn this tip into a shortcut formula with a catchy name. And then add a short motivational paragraph to inspire someone stuck in self-doubt. Yan, ganun lang. Alright, and my tip for you is gamitin mo si ChatGPT like your writing buddy. Pangbuhat sa pagod mong utak. Pag tipong sabaw ka na. Alright? And then reminders for today. Tandaan mo ha? Don't edit yet. Write muna and then polish later. Don't chase perfection. Focus on clarity and connection. Don't forget, you are the brand. Your journey is the gold mine. Okay? And then task today, simple lang. Write your 2 full sections using the story plus tip plus shortcut format. Use your outline and notes from days 8 to 11. And then use ChatGPT to enhance flow, your tone, or your ideas, okay? And then post the link of your output in your tracker. Ayun, celebrate your wins. Hindi biro itong ginagawa mo ha. You're writing to serve, not just to sell. Tandaan mo yan. Okay, see you tomorrow for day 13, writing session part 2. Let's go!